What is up, everybody? My name is Carson, my wife's name is Sammy, and we are the Complete Couple. Today we are going to be doing a day trip over to Universal Studios. We're going to take you guys along with us. We've got a lot of good tips and tricks to show you guys there, as well as just the theme park itself and what there is to enjoy at Universal Studios if you've never been or you're planning a vacation. It's literally about 15 minutes from our house. We're going to take you over there, show you all the fun experience, and have a great day. So where are we going?
The happiest place on earth.
Theoretically, not Disney. Disney's not the happiest place on earth right now.
Not right now. It's miserable there.
We got Disney passes too.
You can't even get like...
And you can never even get on any rides because they did it with the Fast Pass. So it makes it a lot harder at Disney World. And what do you like at Universal?
Halloween Horror Nights.
Halloween Horror Nights. We're gonna bring you guys Halloween Horror Nights the first night this year. Something you guys should be looking forward to. We have their like nicest pass. So we get free Fast Pass after 4 o'clock. So we're gonna go walk around, enjoy the park, and then starting at 4, we get Fast Passes onto their rides. Just wanted to also bring up a couple of essentials I recommend bringing here when you come to Universal. For one, I always bring a backpack. But in that backpack, it's not a bad idea to pack some sunscreen because it gets hot here at the parks.
I don't ever bring sunscreen.
I'm telling you, 2, pack sunglasses. I leave a pair of sunglasses in my backpack. 3, afternoon thunderstorms, especially during the summer, they could pop out of nowhere. So bring either a poncho or a rain jacket or an umbrella, something at least to get yourself out of the rain. I always bring some chargers because nowadays technology, you want to have your phone. If your phone goes dead, bring a charger with you. Say that's about it. That's what we pack in our backpack to have a good day. Also, we're bringing our Harry Potter wand. We'll show you guys that. And that's what I recommend to bring into Universal. Also, bonus, if you bring a backpack, you can buy the Game Pass, and we have more dog toys from Universal Studios. Play all the Carnival games. You always win a prize. 90% of the time, you always win a prize. You come here, you play fun Carnival games for you, and then you bring all of the pet toys home to your dogs. Don't go there to the pizza bakery. It takes an hour to get your pizza, and you can't get it by the slice. You gotta buy a whole pie. So what's the game plan? We're thinking maybe get a drink.
In City Walk.
So if you get a drink in City Walk, you cannot take it into the theme park, so you have to finish it before you leave. This is all new.
There.
We've bought these before.
This one's so good.
Yeah, the red velvet.
Yeah.
Also, if you've never been here, those boats take you to, any idea what hotels they take you to?
World Pacific, Portofino, and Hard Rock. Those are the only 3 you can get by boat. And they used to do fast passes for the day if you stayed. I'm not sure if they still do. But they did used to give you fast passes.
Boats are pretty fast though. Always get a map.
No, never get a map.
Yes, no. I like the maps.
No, you download the app. It's the quickest way. You know what all the wait times are. I'm just
Sammy wants to find out where the...
I don't know if the parade already went,
the parade's
or
at.
it's not on the app, so I'm assuming...
We better have a parade. We're going to show you a good parade spot.
I don't know. My pro tip is when you walk in Universal, never go straight, always go right. Most people go straight, so your wait times are always going to be the longest, especially in the beginning of the day when you go straight. So if you go right and start at the back, they're always shorter.
Yeah, let's go to the back. We've actually never once seen this show.
2, 3! I'm going to show you how it's done. It's as simple as...
What is that called? It's called the
tip.
best spot in the house.
So on a real note, if you come this way, there's a lot of bars around, but there's like 2 good bars in Universal. This is one of them because there's never a line, as you can see. They have a full liquor bar, beer, wine, and like seltzers and everything else. There's never a line, and it's the same price as everything else. So it's right here. Across from Mel's Diner.
Yep. There's our crate.
Oh
Look
my
how
God,
pretty
it's
it looks.
insane.
Sammy says it weighs a lot.
So heavy. It's crazy.
So there it is. We're gonna try it. We'll see. We'll let you know how it is. How do you eat this thing?
I don't know.
I don't understand. How do you eat
Dude,
this?
I don't know.
The cup is the same size as it. All right, so you may laugh, made a plate because it's just, it literally, the one thing I will tell you is it held together none. So how much was this?
A $9.95 with an
It was
annual
like
pass?
$10 with an annual pass. Good? It looks pretty. So we hammered it. Sammy said it was just like a soft taco.
Yes, really soft taco.
Yep. Honestly, I would get it again. It was pretty good.
I would get it
But they
again.
make it impossible to eat
it's a
out of
little
it. For this one at least. Maybe the sweet ones would be easy out of
a
it.
little bit easier,
But this one's got a
yeah.
lot of heavy substance. So just a heads up on the makeup show. A cool first 6 minutes. And then it was a terrible last.
It wasn't terrible. There was no makeup or anything.
It was an
really.
okay last 15 minutes. I've been to Universal probably 50 times. That was
Oh
the
my
first
God, more than
time
that.
I've ever seen it. And unfortunately, I probably won't go back. But worth giving it a shot.
Hurry.
So look at this, directly across from Transformers is this little spot and little nook right here you could sit. If you want to watch the parade, this is the little spot right here. If you come up this, there's never a rope here. You come up, and you sit right on here, and that is your view for the
Even
parade.
if everyone is slammed shoulder to shoulder, you'll see above everybody.
You get the whole parade.
Get the best view.
It is breezy, out of the,
everything.
you're out of the sun, no one
You can
bothers
sit.
you. You sit down. The parade literally comes right down this street right here. You got little kids that can stand in front of you,
Literally no one can get
and
in
no
your
one
way.
bothers you. That's your view right there.
It's really good.
So nice.
Okay, this is a new tribute store. It never looks like this. This is one of my favorite things to do. The Halloween Horror Night one. That time, sometimes you have to wait in line for it.
This
But
says E.T. and Jaws.
listen, it's cold, there's snacks, there's the coolest stuff in here. It's the best place to be.
It feels so good in here. It's nice and cool. This is the Jaws themed. Look, we're gonna go do that over there. We're gonna get ourselves a wax statue. We do it every time.
These are always so fun, and if you know, you know. You know the smell of these when they're done are the best.
There it is. This is the best part right here.
You happy?
So just walked through the tribute store, got our Jaws. It was really cool today. This time was Back to the Future, Jaws, and
E.T.
E.T. They had a $3,000 Back to the Future hoverboard
Yeah.
signed by the cast.
Overall, it's a good tribute store. Not my favorite, but it was fun.
But you know what it is?
It's always cold.
It's ice cold.
Snacks cold.
Ice cold. The coolest snacks. They had ET out there. I took a video of it. So really cool snacks. We didn't do one this time.
Yeah.
But during Halloween Horror Nights, they do some like beating hearts, which is kind of cool. So now we're gonna go check out the rest of the park. What's the bad news, babe?
The Mummy's closed, and I finally just watched the movie like 2 weeks ago.
It's been closed a lot recently because they did a refurb on it, and it was closed.
Another one, I guess.
And then across the street from the Mummy is the best place on earth,
Finnegan.
and that's Finnegan's.
This place is crazy at night or Halloween Horror Nights. The bar line is out the door.
What do the guys say about Finnegan's?
The guy said
We were
the
talking to a
people that
bartender.
work here- He's a bartender, like in other parts of the park. He said somebody's got to die as a bartender at Finnegan's for someone else to get in. They make over 6 figures, and it's one of the best jobs in the whole park.
That's exactly what he said.
Bartender,
He makes 6 figures working at Finnegan's.
only on like nights or days.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
You know what this is?
What is it?
This is a double shot of espresso with a double shot of Bailey's on the rocks. Best 20 bucks I've ever spent.
Wow, shocking. Another iced coffee with Bailey's. Well, if you're hungry, you can get a slice of pizza right there.
It's
actually really good
huge
pizza.
and fantastic.
Yep, so you just walk up to that little line, you get one slice to go.
So good. It just kind of looks like mac and cheese
Yeah, with like some really old chicken
with some
tenders.
chicken on it. So I'm not sure, we're gonna try it. We got the Nashville
Fantastic.
hot chicken sauce on the side because I'm not a big hot chicken person.
I
But
love
I will
hot
tell you what a
sauce.
bonus is look at this seat that we have. Is it?
It's hot.
Is it?
But it's not even like a good hot. It's kind of like hot.
Yeah, my
very
opinion,
hot.
it's okay.
I just had that. It's actually not that bad. I just did the same thing. It's not that bad. In first.
Oh my god, that is so hot. Oh my god, that is so hot. That is so hot, that is so hot, that is so hot. Alright, so a little insight. The chicken is really hot. In that spot before, they've had a Cuban place. And the Cuban place was fantastic. So the Nashville chicken, the chicken was kind of dry, honestly, and the mac and cheese is just, the whole combo
not
is
worth
just
it.
average. It was not very good. We didn't eat all that much. So I will bring up one thing, and it is the fact that Florida heat, I'm telling you, is so different. Sammy brought up on her phone, it's, what was it, 90 out right now?
93, but feels like 100.
Feels like 100, and what I'm telling you, it feels like 100, but it actually feels like about 120 with the way you sweat. So take that into account. It did not rain today. We've had great weather,
I was
even
wishing
though
it was gonna rain.
Yep, it's been a little cloudy, but no rain. So just something to take into account. And we're here on a Wednesday, and I will tell you, Wednesdays, it is so peaceful here today. It's so nice.
Midsummer, I mean, it's pretty busy,
Yeah,
but
but it's-
overall better than the weekend.
Overall, pretty good. So I would recommend coming here on a weekday. It's not too bad if you want to enjoy it with the family. Who is that?
Malfoy and Malfoy only.
Sammy wishes she's a Slytherin.
You're like some Hufflepuff, like Ellie got in.
Wow.
Look at that. So if you see a gold sign on the ground, it'll show you kind of how to do the spell and where to do it. But there are some secret spots without these on the ground, and they're pretty cool. But they're harder than you think.
Alright, so this one's supposed to be an S. There you go. Alright, so here's one of the secret spots.
You can see there's no gold marking.
No gold marking. What is the symbol?
This one is a W. In case you're wondering, it's in front of...
So it's in front of
a
Scribulus.
W.
It's a W. Alright, give it a shot. There it is.
There it is. Oh, mind your own business.
So if you don't know, right by where the umbrella is, you can go down here to Nocturne Alley,
Here, I can't see anything.
and it's pitch black.
Nocturne Alley, if you come here and you see the Bones guy, you come under this black light. The black light lights up your map, and you can actually see, it's hard to see, but these little green dots don't show up unless you're under the black light. Stuffed baked potato.
Actually,
Shepherd's pie.
it looks pretty good.
I'm a shepherd's pie girl, so I'll have it. Because the potato is a bit chewy, but the insides are fantastic.
Alright, so honest secondary feedback. I think the potato was microwaved, so it doesn't have that fluffy feeling. It feels almost like that chewy, gummy taste.
The toppings are great.
Yeah, my honest opinion, out of 10, it's about a 4. The crepe was a 10 compared, honestly, the crepe was a 15 out of 10 compared to everything else.
But you can't bring a single bag on this ride, so you have to check anything you have.
Whenever Men in Black is over 10 minutes, you know it's busy here.
Probably 25, but yeah.
No,
Pretty
10.
busy.
Whenever Men in Black's over 10 minutes, it's slammed.
Welcome, trusting tourist, to
We're a
this
trusting
non-threatening
tourist.
time waster. You have nothing to fear except for too much fun.
All right, so we are gonna get a Duff beer, and then we're gonna go play some Carnival rides. I think they have a Carnival games. I think they have a Duff Light and a Duff Heavy, like a Budweiser
No, it's like
and a
Duff
Bud
and
Light.
Duff Light, I
Yeah,
think.
maybe it's just Duff and Duff Light.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a Duff Light because I like light beers. Sammy's probably gonna do a wine. They also sell corn dogs here, I think. Pro tip. All right, so this is the Duff Light. So for those of you wondering, Duff Light tastes like. I would say I'm a connoisseur of beers,
All you drink is McUltra.
but that is 100% a Coors Light on tap with a hint of Miller, but that's Coors Light all day long with just a splash of Miller Light mixed in. So if you like Coors Light, you'll probably love Duff Light. Look at that mustard right there. Oh wow. That is wonderful. Oh my god, that is the
Spit it
worst
out.
corn dog. That is terrible. Oh my god.
It's so bad. It makes me laugh.
It is the worst corn dog.
I see me try to break it.
It's as good as a hammer. Oh my god.
Hold on.
It's as good as a hammer.
Two in a row. You gotta get 3 in a row. That's the thing. Then you get the big prize.
If you're an annual pass member, it's 6 games for $25. So we did the $25, we get 6 games, which is a bargain. Obviously these are Stella toys. Or if you're not an annual pass holder, you could do 10 games for $60, which is also a good deal. If you're an annual pass holder, you get an extra game basically. Nice. Look at all these toys we've shoved in our bag. Sammy didn't get me. I literally got 3 in a row.
No, the camera died.
The camera died. I got 3 in a row. And I got Big Piggy. That's a win-win. We're calling it a day. All right, so we are heading out. I won Sammy the Big Pig. It is, what time is it? 8:30. We had an absolutely great day here. We didn't finish the whole park, so we're gonna show you guys another day, the rest of the parks, some other tips and tricks. Great day here at Universal. Weather was great. Won a large pig. Everybody's staring at us. We didn't even get it on film, but I got 3
Dude, the camera
shots in a
died.
row.
I'll have to replay the ending right
Yeah.
now. All right, let's see. Hit them all, babe.
So,
It just died.
yeah, it just died.
I couldn't give him the heart. He was winning.
Unbelievable. The one time I actually looked good. If you want to know how many toys we got for Stella, well, we have the Big Pig that I won. We have that cat. Huh. Donut, which she loves. Bear. 3-eyed fish, which we gave away another one to a person that wanted one. Devil thing. And an octopus. I mean, look at that. So we spent $50. Okay, which may seem like a lot, but think about how much you would spend at like PetSmart on toys, and we got all of that and all that fun. And don't forget to leave us a comment, let us know what you guys want us to look at next, and we'll see you guys here soon.